Good morning, America. Live from bridge number 2561 here in sun and fun Stroudwater, Maine. It's the Stroudwater waterfalls. This is Frank Margell out here in the public domain. Good morning. November 16th. Monday, 2015. It's about 38 degrees in full sun on this fall day, November. There certainly is a lot to discuss here at the Stroudwater Falls. This is a freelance video. You'll find it at Frank Margell at YouTube.com. I also post on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Go ahead and send me a comment. I'm using a tripod again today, and if you've been following some of my videos, you might think I'm getting a little better at it. This is also called a WYSIWYG. That is, what you see is what you get. I'm not a paid representative. I'm a freelancer, and I'm sharing my Maine walk with you today. What a gorgeous morning to be out and about with you. Look, before we get started this morning, I'd like to do a moment of silence for the country of France, for the people of Paris that have lost so much, and take a moment and remember all those who serve and some of those that gave up their lives recently in Paris, in France. So let's take a moment of silence, please, and remember all those lost souls. Okay, my heart is with all the family and friends and the communities of Paris, France. May you go with God. May we all go with God today and remember all those who sacrificed. Well, here in the big city of Portland, Maine at Stroudwater, we're looking at some very clear skies, about 10 miles of visibility, if not more. It is just a gorgeous Maine day to be out and about with you. I got a little Monday morning weather to discuss with you. And I found this weather report at the National Weather Service. And that's on the internet, of course, the World Wide Web. And you can easily find the website by going to the National Weather Service. I pull up the 7-day forecast, but I'd just like to discuss today, tonight, and tomorrow. And this is what I found as of about 6 a.m. this morning. And this is for this forecast, according to the National Weather Service, is for the Oak Hill area. But go ahead and check your facts. We're in coastal southern Maine, northern New England, coastal southern Maine. So today, mostly sunny with a high near 48 degrees. We got a little northwest breeze blowing 10 to 15 miles per hour. Right now, there's no breeze at all, which is all calm and clear right here at the Stroudwater Falls. Tonight, clear with a low around 25 degrees. And again, a northward wind of 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Tuesday we're looking at almost the same day as we're having today. Sunny, with a high near 47. And that north wind will be 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then Tuesday night, clear skies, no wind, and lows around 29 degrees. Go ahead and check your facts. That is your Monday National Weather Service. Right there on the internet. Go ahead and check your facts. Send me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let's pan around here on this bridge and go to the other side, and I'll show you. Okay. Bear with me, I'm crossing the street. Yep, we got this little sidewalk here. And I'll show you the other side of the Stroudwater Falls here where it drains out. Now, this is a bird sanctuary. Birds of a feather flock together on this Monday. Yeah, I'll give you a little view of our star up there. Praise God. Yeah. This is the Stroudwater, historic Stroudwater. I come here a lot and film. I wanted to come here especially today and remember all those once again in France and Paris. And all those that are fighting the good fight. We thank God for you. And there's a bird out there. It looks like some type of crane. I don't know if I'll try to zoom in on him. This isn't the... I'm using a Samsung. I'm not a paid representative for Samsung, obviously, but he's out there on a rock, or she, I don't know. It's kind of, it's low tide here. That's the Atlantic Ocean we're looking at there, and the water that drains off from Westbrook and South Portland Ways and Portland Ways just drains right here into the coastline. Well, look, you have a great Maine day. This is Frank Margell from the Stroudwater Falls at the Fore River Bird Sanctuary, remembering all those that serve our communities, and especially those that lost in Paris, France. You have a great Maine day and go with God. Take care, and I will keep you posted. If you'd like to send me a comment, once again, it's Frank Margell at YouTube.com. I post on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. You have a great Monday, November 16th, 2015. Clear skies here in coastal southern Maine. Clear skies tonight and tomorrow, according to the National Weather Service. You have a great Maine day. This is Frank out. Take care.